Here we have the Calrec Soccer app, which is a real handy app. I'm actually doing basketball today, but I've kind of adapted it for that. And I'll show you kind of setup. So you can place these mics around the court. You'll see here we go to edit pitch. So I can go to this mic here. This represents a microphone, and I can edit the angle. And there's the fader number on the console, and there's the angle of which way this mic's pointing. So obviously I've aimed it this way. And I can move the mic to where it is on the court, like so, and go from there. If I want to add a new microphone, I can come here, add a new microphone. I'll make this the fader 18. Sorry, this is a pretty rudimentary video. So that's mic 18. I want to move mic 18 over here. And this mic is aimed right there. And I can set the pitch. I'll add one more microphone. This microphone will be fader 23. I'll move this microphone over here. That microphone is aimed right there. Move this one down. Move this one here. And there you go. And that's at the pitch. And then you also have settings here of point of interest size and a fade duration. It looks to be a global setting. So now, as you move this ball around the court, you see this blue line here? That microphone is this microphone, and you can see it's up partially. So, now as you move the ball up and down the court, with your finger, it'll move the faders up and down the court. You can also put two places, double touch, and it shows you on the app the blue lines going around, like so. You can see it moving the faders as they go back and forth so that the ball runs. And of course this would be very handy if you had more than, say, 8 mics, since you only have 8 mixing fingers. At least I have trouble, rarely mix my thumb. If you had some across, you know, if you had more than 10 mics or so, you could just move it around and it would move in relation to the mics. Of course, you can also come over to one single mic and you can gain them all up proportionally. Not a single mic, I'm sorry, all of them. Gain up proportionally right there. Let me switch hands here and see if I can show you that. But be careful, you know, you can also jump it, and that's where the fade rate comes in, to where they fade as you go across. If we come here, let's set that fade rate to a minimal setting. You'll see how the faders behave as I move it now. Or especially if I make a jump to there. There's the minimal fade rate. And you can see as it travels how it's a little choppy for this application. And if you go to a much slower extreme, 1.7 seconds, you can see how it's a lot smoother as you go up and down the court. And if you make a jump, you can see how the faders move a lot smoother as it travels to their area. Sorry, I can't really show both here. This is a very amateur video for a very professional application. Thanks for watching. Just want to show this. I didn't see how it worked, so I finally got working, and I want to show some people kind of what it does. Leave any questions below. I'll answer them if I can. Thanks.